So in this exit pass question, you were given a triangle, and you can see the information you've been given about that triangle is you've got all three sides, and you're asked to calculate the size of the smallest angle in a triangle. Now, what we know about the connections between angles and sides is that the largest angle in a triangle is always across from the largest side, and similarly the smallest angle will always be across from the smallest side. So in this particular triangle, the smallest side being the 6.3, the smallest angle is therefore this one here at the Z. So that would be the angle we would be trying to work out. Naming your sides using lowercase letters, so your Y, your X and your Z. And clearly when you've been given three sides, the rule that you're going to be using is the cosine rule to calculate the angle, and it's this version here, cos A, but of course we're trying to work out angle Z, so our version of it will be cos Z equals, now notice that the angle that you're trying to find, the lowercase letter of that angle is the one that's subtracted, so therefore our other two sides are the ones that go in here, x squared plus y squared minus z squared all over 2xy. So that means we're going to be writing down cos z will be equal to, filling everything in here, we get the 7.2 squared plus 8.5 squared minus 6.3 squared all over 2 times your 7.2 times your y value, which is your 8.5, and if you do all of that in the calculator, you will end up with cos z equals 0.6895 and a whole load of other digits. But of course that's not the size of our angle. To get the size of our angle we need to be doing cos to the minus 1 of that value. So you want to be doing cos to the minus 1 of 0.6895 and all the other digits. Now what you can press on the calculator, or what you should press on the calculator, is the shift key, followed by the cos key, followed by the, if you press the ANS button, it means it takes the cos of this value, the 0.6895 and all the digits, and it means you don't have to round twice. And if you do that, you will get 46.4060, all the other figures, usually for angles, one decimal place, so 46.4. Remember to put your degree in, so we would say the smallest angle is Z, and that is equal to 46.4 degrees.